In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign roles in Slack. Assigning roles is how you control who can manage settings, invite people, or just participate in channels. You'll need to be a workspace owner or admin to follow along. Start by opening your browser and going to slack.com, then sign into the workspace where you want to make changes. Once you're in, look for the workspace menus. It's the drop-down that shows your workspace name at the top. Open that drop-down and choose Tools and Settings. From there, select Admin Tools to open the administration area for your workspace. Next, click Workspace Settings. This page holds the controls for how your workspace runs. Here, find and click Manage Members and Roles. This brings up a list of everyone in your workspace along with their current access. Locate the person whose access you want to change. When you hover over their row, you'll see an icon with 3 dots to the right. Click those 3 dots to reveal more actions. Choose Change Account Type. This is where you decide what role they should have. Select the role that fits their responsibilities. A standard member can join channels and collaborate. An admin can manage members and many settings. An owner has the highest level of control, including billing and security. On paid plans, you may also see options for single channel or multi-channel guests, which are great for contractors or clients who only need limited access. If you're unsure, keep people as members and reserve admin or owner for trusted leaders. After you've selected the role, click Save to apply the change. Slack updates the account right away. The person may need to refresh their app to see new permissions, but the change is effective immediately. A couple of tips as you wrap up. Make role changes thoughtfully, especially when granting admin or owner, because these roles can modify settings for everyone. Keep a short list of who holds elevated access so you can review it regularly. And if you manage multiple workspaces, double check that you're editing the correct one before you save. That's it. You've assigned a role in Slack by navigating from the workspace, drop down to Tools and Settings, into Admin Tools, then Workspace Settings, opening Manage Members and Roles, changing the account type, selecting the role, and saving. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.